Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a stack of Freshly meals that I am going to eat. Not all of them right now, but I am starving, so I'm gonna have some lunch, and I thought that I would share them with you one by one as I eat them. I'm hoping that I can get Colin to help me out eventually too. So anyway, Freshly, I've actually reviewed Freshly a couple of times before. I will link those videos in the description box. The first time I bought them, I think I got some sort of a deal or something, and so we tried them out and the eggs tasted like airplane food, but other than that they were pretty good. Then they evidently revamped, got some new chefs and redid their website and everything, sent us another box, and we actually really liked it. So this time they have some new stuff. It's been a while, I think it's been a couple of years since I've tried Freshly, and I'm excited to see how it is this time around. So with Freshly, you get the meals weekly, and you can get, you know, I mean, they have different options for how many meals you want, and they're not frozen, they are fresh. So you just put them in the refrigerator and not in the freezer, but if you need, you know, you can put them in the freezer if you need more time or whatever, because they don't last forever. So anyway, I have some Aloha chicken, I picked these out, turkey meatballs and zoodles, chicken Livorno, I think that has kale in it or something, grilled chicken pesto risotto. Oh, that was their thing. This summer they have all of these new pesto dishes. So I have a veggie pesto risotto and a grilled chicken pesto risotto. Right now, I think I really want to try the chicken Livorno. This one, let's see, when it comes to good dinner choices, you're killing it with this. Oh, terrible. Okay, so let's see, what information do we have? Microwave for 3 minutes, let's stand for 2. So this is 390 calories, 16 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbohydrates, 6 fiber, 5 sugars, 0 added sugars. Whoa, 39 grams of protein. That's impressive. All right, let's see. Well, can't really see much. Kind of just looks like a mess of beans and chicken in there. Okay, let me microwave this and we'll see how it tastes. Chicken Livorno. I guess I could put this on a plate, but I'm feeling a little bit too lazy for that. So I'm just gonna eat it out of the dish and see how this is. Ooh, chicken is very tender. I will give it that. There's a lot of seasoning on this, very herby. Not too salty though. Looks like beans, tomatoes, carrots, kale. It's not a lot of kale though, honestly. It's mostly just beans. It's good. It's really good. Wow, that's delicious. I sound surprised. No, it's actually really good. I'm really delighted with this. Delighted. Well, first meal, super delicious. Chicken Livorno, I'm happy. All right, so I will eat the rest of the meals with you, and at the end we will discuss my final thoughts on how Freshly is doing. All right, I'll see you guys next meal. Okay, so evidently the pasta is made out of cauliflower, but this does have beef in it, and obviously cheese, so it's gluten-free pasta, but you know, kind of weird anyway. It's not bad though, it's not bad. The meatballs are a little bit mushy and lack flavor, but the sauce is good, and the zoodles, I don't know if you can tell, but they kind of looked like they were getting old, like they're losing their color, maybe they were overcooked or something, but they don't actually taste mushy, and the noodles, or zoodles I guess, I do like. But the meatballs are not my favorite. The chicken is tender, it's flavorful. I like the pineapple and the quinoa. The broccoli's okay, a little overcooked, but the flavor is good. Okay, this is the veggie risotto. It's very rich, super yummy, nice and flavorful. This, I mean, it almost looks like 2 servings right here, and I bet that it could easily be 2 servings because it's very filling. Hi guys, I'm here with my last meal from Freshly, well, my last week of meals. This is the grilled chicken pesto risotto. I am really excited to try this. It smells delicious. So for the most part, I think that my overall impression is that the meals are good, some of them better than others, but they're definitely big and filling. Okay, so I'm gonna try the chicken. Good. Meats are always hard when you microwave them because if you overdo it, you know, you can overcook the meat. But this is perfect. It's tender and juicy. The risotto itself is really delicious. I like the pesto risotto, their summer meals. So they do change up their meals, you know, fairly often. Also, they are now available nationwide. The only thing that they're really lacking is that they don't have a lot of vegetarian options, definitely not vegan options. So I feel like if you're just looking for good, well-balanced meals because you don't have the time or you don't feel like cooking or whatever, I think this would be a great option. But if you do follow a very specific diet, you might run into some trouble with it. I think the food itself is good. It's flavorful and I really like it. You know, this risotto is delicious. So I will leave all of the information in the description box, as well as any sort of discount codes or referral links or anything that I might have. So definitely check that out if you are interested. So far, I think Freshly's killing it. You know, I mean, they've been around for several years and they are now nationwide, which is great. So I'm guessing they must be doing fairly well. I've certainly enjoyed my week's worth of meals. So thank you to Freshly for sending this to me. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.